Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome. My name is Happy. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting.
Dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my
So guys, as you can tell by the title, today we are going to visit our grandma. If you remember my last vlog, I said I'm going to concentrate to my routine, but when I went home, my grandma called me and she want to see me, so I say why not, so let's go together guys.
in silence until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I use pilote_happy. On TikTok I use Happy Nichelle.
Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark.
It's been 6 hours since we left Dar es Salaam. We stopped at a place called Mumbo. It's called Kilimanjaro Motorway Faster Food, if I'm not wrong.
Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had.
Hey guys, it's next day, so I'm at my grandma's house and I decided to do cleaning, so let's do it together.
Dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow.
So I'm going to start cleaning at chicken house, so it is chicken or hen house, I don't know. So yeah, let's cleaning guys. Then after that I'm going to clean the compound. After that I'm going to do dishes. After that we'll see what is happening. So yeah,
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know,
rake because it was so slow, so I used my hand.
Who can make me feel the way you do? 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, you and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me, you and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me, you and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me, and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh,
When I was washing dishes, my camera went off, so I wash dishes, then I tie the animals.
again, you're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I'm going to have a tea. After that I'm going to clean the house. I don't know if I'm going to show you because guys I don't have tripod, so it's so hard to record while you're doing cleaning. So I will show you before and after.